Bold, eccentric, rebellious. These are just a few words that I'd use to describe these individuals who are bringing about chaos on social media. So you've seen them on TikTok. There's been a lot of conversation. All this just for tech taxi. But is it just an import of international fashion, or is this an evolving of Jamaican fashion? So we're going to be hearing from a few of these trailblazers. I'm your girl Alia Hall. Stick around.
Yo, Jamaica, it's Cash Kari, and I'm a part of the new wave of Jamaican fashion.
So Kari, tell us how you describe your style.
My style, I would say it's very rebellious, diverse, and just chaotic. You know what I mean? I have a lot of things going on, spikes. Yeah, I just be myself, really. You know what I mean? It's alternative. More like a punk rock star type of vibe.
Alright, so I see the studs, I see the necklace. Is there some kind of meaning when people look on you, they're supposed to get just from the outfit?
I mean, what would they get from the outfit? Just that I wasn't made to fit in. You know what I mean? So I try to stand out, so I be myself, you know what I mean? I'm just me, unapologetic with it. You know what I mean? That's all I can really say to it.
So you've been getting a lot of feedback, especially online, about your choice of style. Talk to me about that a little bit. How that make you feel?
I mean, whether negative or positive, you know, we just always focus on the positive. You know what I mean? The love will always outweigh the hate at the end of the day. You know, you pay attention to it. You know what I mean? And it's a case where in the world where they feed off of negative energy, just put positive energy into the world. Pay attention to that. For the time, it's people that are not confident enough to do what I do what me and Lando does, my team, YVS. You know what I mean? And I'm just appreciative of those who do show love and do support. You know what I mean?
So, I know you say no focus on it, you know, but when we say that all this we take taxi posts, no, I feel a way that even.
I mean, honestly, keep in mind I'm 18 years old, so I don't think I should be in a position to own a car at this age. But at the end of the day, though, I'm the flyest person in the car and on the coast at all times. You know what I mean? So it's a win-win for me.
All right, so you mentioned your team, YVS. What's the intention behind that? Like, what YVS mean? What's it supposed to do?
YVS means Young Vengeful Society, which was inspired by YVL. And YVS to me, it means a lot to me. It's more like I would see it as a brotherhood. You know what I mean? As a family. It's more than just like a group to me. You understand? And I just wanted to create a safe environment of non-judgment and just fun and acceptance. That was the thing, that was the goal. Just to create an environment of people that accept each other, show each other love, support, and that was just the goal, really. You know what I mean? Create a family out of it.
So what moment did you decide that yes, this is my style, this is what I'm wearing? Because we know in Jamaica a lot of times the men kind of wear more skinny jeans and a clocks or something like that.
I mean, I started from skinny jeans and clocks, you know what I mean? I was always clean, I was always a fashionable person, you know, I come from a home of fashionable people. So, you know what I mean? I used to watch, I was on my phone a lot, so I used to grow up with Michael Jackson, Elvis. I used to love and admire how they dress. So I just tried to adapt to that style, you know what I mean? And it was a dramatic drift, I'm not gonna lie. It was, you know what I mean? Started to wear baggy cargo pants and Jordans, and over time it just evolved to more designer like Landvins or Coens and things of that nature. But it was an insane trip. I think it was when I met my friend Lando, and it kind of made me a bit more comfortable because he's a more like a brawly person.
Alright, so some Jamaicans would argue that we just a copy foreign style, you know, as America sneeze we catch cold. What are your thoughts on that?
Foreign or Americans own a specific style. They don't own the music, they don't own it at all. You know what I mean? It's just more like you can get inspiration from it. You know what I mean? But most of the things that I'm doing right now has been done years before I was even born. You know what I mean? Come to speak of Bogle and all the other dancers from Black Rose's crew and all that. You know what I mean? The spike bracelets, all that. They've been doing that. Just that we're bringing it back. You know what I mean? As a new wave and just catch the rider, you know what I mean? Just lose the balance.
So is this just a trend? We can expect it to die down in the next couple of months?
Oh, I hope not. I mean, what I'm doing is not a trend. I'm just being myself. I'm not joining the trend. I'm just being me. So maybe there's a couple of people that are trying to make it a trend or be a part of a trend, but this isn't a trend for me.
Because when you go out and you make your videos, a lot of the time I know you want, in Mandela Park and that sort of thing. So how did you discover this community?
Where did I discover the community? I mean, I would say that it was me and my team that really tried. Well, there was other people to begin, like other creators, other fashion content creators, but I guess it was like a networking thing. It's more like, okay, we have the same interests, the same motive. Let's come together and try to create something from that. YVS, you know what I mean? Lando, Kaini, teamwork, and so forth. And just come together and do a thing. You know what I mean? But there are other people though. Shout out to them. I appreciate what they're doing for the, you know what I mean, Jamaica and the youth them that want the chance to show themselves.
So have you gotten any benefits out of this? Any
benefits? Of course. I mean, getting this interview right now. Also meet some great people.
Since you start put yourself out there, we expect say more females are reach out and thing. How that a go? How the girls them stay?
I mean, really and truly, you know, I mean, yeah, but I don't know, not really main purpose of me good. But I don't know, man, I'm alright, man. I'm good. Alright, it does attract them, you know, the style, the difference, you know what I mean, the uniqueness, but I really focus on that, you know what I mean? Life is like a costume party, you know what I mean? So I'm not wearing a mask anymore, I'm taking off the mask and being myself, you know what I mean? And my socials, you know, you can find me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Cash Kari, CASHHKARI.
Hey guys, I'm Lando Jit. I'm part of the new wave of Jamaican fashion.
Alright, so Lando, how would you describe your style?
Describe my style as very chaotic in a sense, like find perfectionism in like unperfect things, as in. So like most of them pieces them I wear, them really like them not match and they mismatch. So I like find perfectionism in that.
Alright, so when did you start this? Because typically Jamaican men have a certain predictable sense of style, the clocks, skinny jeans. When did you discover that this is me?
Discovered that I really was into fashion back in like grade 11 when I met my friend Kari, and it has a lot to do with like bringing out my fashion sense, because when I met him in high school, I would just click like that from what a school get. I just say, alright, I gotta start, inspire the youth of Jamaica and really like change the game of fashion.
So you've made some very bold choices. Like we see it right now, you're in your blazer, but you have one Jamaica shirt underneath, your nails them paint, right? And you have been getting a lot of backlash online because you're kind of the face of this new rebel type movement. Did you start out knowing that people would have a lot to say?
Yeah, hate comes with every great man, and every great move I make, hate will come with it, feel me? So kinda expected to get hate. But once you get hate, you know you do something right.
Okay, and how do you go about selecting these pieces? So you get up one day, you say, alright, the color here no match with this. Like, what going in your mind when you choose what to wear?
Chaos. Straight chaos. There's a lot of chaos in my mind. And depends on my feeling and my mood, you see it in my outfits.
So this isn't just fashion then, it's not just putting on clothes. What else, what does it mean? Is it like a form of self-expression? Is it, what are you saying to the world when you put on what you put on?
Saying to the world that I am Lando, I can do whatever I want, honestly.
Alright, and some people might say that this style is foreign. Jamaica love take up foreign things. So is that your take? Are we just copying?
Nah. As my bro did say before, this style been in Jamaica from like 2000 era from like Wacky and Bogle them on the Black Roses crew. So but us bring it back and really tap into it more deeper with like bold statements and looks and pieces. You know, just a lot of expression.
So you're not afraid? What the feedback like on the streets? How the people in my treat you?
People can only just talk. I'm not really made to yet. Just live my life, to be honest. So I'm there for.
All right, and we see a lot of others, just like yourself, rising up. We see men in spaces where them have like a little handbag thing, you know, them are define them own sense of style. So what's your take on that? Man can't just put on what them want to put on, or you need to in the handbag something there.
Fashion comes with a lot of things, so you just have to prepare for it. My personal take on the purses, them in Jamaica. I mean, you're a money boy, wear it. I mean, express yourself. Nothing against somebody.
All right, so are there some trends, some styles that you see Jamaican man in a way you feel like in a 2026 it for just that way?
Honestly, anything of fashion to me. Skinny jeans, clogs, polo, love all of it. Wear anything. I just like make it deep and styling. I see me now polo slides and a cut off foot pants, but I style it different, typical Jamaicans. Just love style.
Alright, but some people are say a troll them when you put on your little, what you call that, the jorts. and you know, you do it thing, them I say, are you doing this on purpose now? So is that it? Are you trolling?
No, it's not trolling, as I say, it's just a form of me just whatever I can, self-expression. Just put on and wear it. You just become an everyday thing to me. Like, wherever I go, I gotta get fly.
Alright, so what we want to know is this a trend that will pass after some months, or is this something deeper? Is this here to stay?
Yeah, for me, I don't know about anybody else but me, you know. It's not a trend for me, it's an everyday thing, lifestyle.
So is this an intentional attempt to kind of reject traditional Jamaican fashion?
Most definitely, it is.
So would you say that there's a certain expectation of what fashionable is in Jamaica?
Anything is fashion to me, anything. As long as you wear your clothes, you style it, it's fashion to me.
But the wider society, do you think that they have like a certain expectation of, yes, ABC? If it's not ABC, it's not fashion.
Best advice I can give to the youths, wear whatever you can, and as long as I hear money buy it, just wear it. Nobody listen to nobody and for them take one way for wear our clothes. If you have a one shot, you wear it and style it, bro. Just be yourself at the end of the day.
All right, and if someone who strongly opposes this kind of thing is listening right now, what would you want them to understand about your movement?
Honestly, can't show them a middle finger. But just give them this. You know, we're a young generation, just make we do a thing, honestly. You know, we are reject. Just make we do a thing.
All right, anything else that you'd like to add?
Yeah, you know, big up all of my supporters and anybody where I push the movement. Continue to do it. In a couple months from now and a couple years, be the face of it. I can definitely see changes in Jamaica. So just believe.
All right, so shout out to your socials.
You don't know, you can find me on TikTok, Lando Jit, and Instagram, Lando Jit, with 2 eyes. As in, and look out for YouTube soon, you know? I get in the bag.
From them, they're here to stay, and even though them say them not really business want to think, we want to hear. So remember to follow the DuttyBerryShow, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'm your girl Alia Hall. You can find me on _Alia Hall on both Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for listening.